Yes, you heard it right. How to make $1 million with 20,000 naira. Wow. I am not saying 1 million naira. I'm saying $1 million in 12 months, 1 year. Let me show you how it works. Maybe you think I'm just talking. Let me share my screen. Yes. Now you have it. As you can see on my screen here, we did it in an Excel sheet from day one. 20,000 naira. And you're making 10% profit consistently every day from your money. Now, the first day, you're going to get 2,000 naira from your 20,000, and that's the balance of 22,000. The second day, you compound. Now, the most important thing here is the compounding effect. It's not rocket science. You add your profit plus your capital, and you make another 10% again for the next day, 2,200. You're getting 24,000. By the end of 10 days, you're already making 50,000 naira. And that is where knowledge is power. That is what this training, or if you're going to buy our ebook, is all about. Now, the ebook and the training is going to show you how you can do this and make consistent profit every day. 10% is small, but just by just beginning at minimum. That's the minimum you can get if you apply the right knowledge and the right skills. Now let's fast forward. By the end of 30 days, what will you be getting? You'll be getting 348,000 naira. You are compounding it. You're taking this as a business. You're not rushing to withdraw and want to withdraw and want to, so that at the end of the year, you are paying yourself a huge sum. But that is if you don't withdraw. You're going to get 348,000 in after 30 days of making consistent 10% profit of your account. 20,000 naira, nothing more. You can do more if you have more capital. The faster, the more the merrier. Now let's fast forward. At the end of 60 days, let's see what's going to be. At the end of 60 days, you are seeing you have made 6 million, compounding your money for 60 days without withdrawal. And that's why I say you can make $1 million in 12 months, compounding your 20,000 naira without withdrawal. But let me baffle you. At the end of the 365 days, without withdrawing your money, do you know how much you'll be getting? This is how much you'll be getting. How many zeros are you seeing here? You're seeing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's a trillion. A trillion naira. A trillion, indeed. But I know that is the ideal. Compounding your 20,000 naira every day, making 10% profit. That's a trillion. But I was talking about $1 million. That means, so how do we get the $1 million? That means within 200 days, you're already making $1 million. 200 days, you're already making $1 million. That's compounding your money. If you have that patience, you wait till that point and you see what happens. That's the benefit of crypto trading. Skills is what's important. Knowledge is power. Now look at this. At the end of what do I call it? Let's say the first, when you make your first 1 billion naira in compounding your money daily, 100 and on the first 115 days, that's when you hit your target. So now, that's the power of trading. That's what all crypto trading is all about. Now, if this thing catch your interest, click the button below and contact us, or buy our ebook and download the copy and start training yourself. Thank you for listening.